Second grade Social Studies Economics Unit. Economics drives the choices we make daily. This lesson's learning targets. After this lesson, you should be able to explain what is scarcity, identify different kinds of resources, describe the benefits or what is good about spending money, and also be able to describe the benefits of what is good about saving money. Economics for kids. Now, how are we going to better understand economics? Well, we will read and discuss topics about economics and define some words. You will also ask and answer questions while looking at examples of some economic choices. Economics for kids. Well, boys and girls, today we're going to talk about our new social studies unit, economics. Have you ever heard of that word, economics? Well, even if you hadn't heard of economics, you deal with economics all the time, trust me, whether you know it or not. Economics is described as the careful use of money, resources, and how we can make money and save money. So, yep, economics is all about the money, 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 money. Resources. Well, let's discuss this word. You know, you will hear this word a lot. Resources are things we can use to meet our needs and our wants. There are all kinds of resources too, which include things like from nature, money, people. Yeah, people are resources. We call them human resources. And equipment are all examples of resources. Now, here's one of those thinking questions. How does the amount of money someone has affects the way they purchase or buy something? Using their money resources, because money is a type of resource. So I want you to think about that again. How does the amount of money someone has affect the way they purchase or buy something using their money resources? Can you give an example? I want you to stop and think about the question and an answer. If you can, turn and talk to your neighbor or someone there at the house with you and share your answer. What were some of the things you said? Well, let's see if you said some of the things that I came up with. Let's discuss it. Were some of the answers like your mom and dad have had to make decisions or choices, like maybe about some of the food they had to buy at the store, like what brands of food or how much to buy? Your mom probably said, oh no, we're not going to get that. We can get this other brand. It's on sale or it's cheaper. Money affecting that choice. Or what about the kinds of clothes that they buy? Which brands to buy? Let's say you wanted those brand new Vans. But mom was like, oh no, we're going to buy some other shoes on sale. How about outfits you can buy? So this means that you just can't go in and get anything and everything you want, correct? That's right. Why? Because of scarcity. Now, let's talk about that word scarcity, and I've got it bolded here. Scarcity means that you may not have enough money, time, space, or other resources to get everything that you want, or in some cases, need. Let's look at these two pictures, and we're going to find some limited resources here. Look at the picture to the left with the table. I have 5 more pictures I want to place on this table, but I have a scarcity problem. I have limited What do you think? I have limited what to place my 5 pictures? Did you say space? You doggone Skippy. I don't have enough space. My space is scarce. I have a scarcity problem with space. Now look at my picture on the right. Now, I'm at the store and I want to buy both boxes of cereal because I like chocolate Cheerios and I love some Special K. But both boxes cost $6.75. And look, right there by the boxes is what I have to pay for it. It's only a $5 bill. I have limited what to buy both boxes of cereal. If you said money, you guessed right. I have limited amount of money resources. So I'm going to have to make a choice. I'm not going to be able to buy both boxes, only one. Just like I'm going to have to make a choice about not putting pictures on that table or maybe taking some down and trading some out because I have limited resources. Good job, guys. Decisions, decisions. Spend or save? Now that is the question. That's a big question that often happens when we think about economics. What if there was enough money and goods, though, to buy what you want and how much you want? There wasn't any scarcity. That would be nice, huh? Well, would you buy everything and anything? Have you thought that you can make a choice to save your money? That's a choice that a lot of people do. By saving your money, you can use it later for other choices, like buying something different, something more expensive, or even be in a position to help someone else out. There are benefits, or benefits means good things about about spending and saving money. So let's read some of the benefits of spending and saving money. Well, what are some benefits of spending money? Well, hey, everybody likes to spend the money, money, money. It brings happiness and joy from getting something you want, like that brand new car, or that game or DVD, or maybe your mom's new car. Using that good that's purchased, like mom's new car, feels good, and it's a benefit to your family if you have a new car. Or making someone else happy with a gift and the joy that it brings you. Those are all benefits of spending money. But what are some benefits of saving money? The ability to make a larger or more expensive purchase later if enough money is built up and saved. Some people call that stacking your money. Or being able to have money to help someone else close to you with a loan. Now, this is a loan. You're not spending money. You're only letting someone borrow the money. But it can put you in a good position, and it could be a benefit to be able to help someone. Check out what you know. Let's check out what you've learned. You can use Seesaw or let someone record you and send your recordings to your teacher's email, or have someone help you write out the answers on paper to the questions on the next slides. Making a choice. Look at the question below in the circle. What could be a benefit of both choices? If you save or if you buy. So you have limited money. Money is your scarce resource. You have only enough money to buy a toy or save the money. So which one are you going to do? I can't wait to read your responses. More economic choices. Here are some more choices for you to make. Why would you have to make the choices with these resources? Choose either answer A or answer B to correctly answer that question. Why would you have to make choices with these resources? Do you think it is A, you have more than enough, but you just want to choose? Or B, the resources are limited and there is scarcity? After you've made that answer selection, I want you to tell me what you would choose. And we're going to use this chart for another lesson to talk about some of the choices that you made and the opportunity that was given up by the choice that was made. I can't wait to read your responses. Please know that I enjoy making this video for you, and I hope you learned a lot about economic choices.